Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Cat2PLM. If you are a Teamcenter developer or someone working in PLM customization, you know how important preconditions are for maintaining process integrity and ensuring that users follow the right workflow. In today's video, I am going to walk you through how to write preconditions in Teamcenter with real examples and code snippets that you can implement right. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming tutorials. Before we dive into the technical part, let's quickly understand that what a precondition is. In Teamcenter, preconditions are checks or validation that run before certain operations like save as, revise, or even while saving forms like item master, attaching related objects. They help you just like ensure data integrity, validate process workflows, avoid incorrect or incomplete data, provide users with meaningful error messages before they process. Today I will cover four scenarios, important scenarios where preconditions are used, and I will give you actual. First, let's look at the savage operation. What we want to do here is check if the latest revision of an item is in TCM release status before allowing that user to create a new item. This ensures that only released items can be duplicated or copied, maintaining process compliance. In the code, we fetch the latest status using ITK item ask latest status and then check if the status equals to TCM released. If it does, we allow the operation. If not, we throw a custom error like item invalid status. This error is then shown to the user in interface. Next up to is the revise operation. You want to make sure that users can only revise items that are already involved in a workflow process. Why? Because revising an item that's not in process could lead to inconsistent data. Here we use workflow to check whether the first operation is in workflow or not. If it's not, we stop the revision operation and return an error like just like this. This helps prevent accidental or unauthorized revisions. Let's move on to the form validation. Suppose you want to check if certain string attribute in item master form have more than 20 characters. If they don't have, you want to prompt that user to correct them before saving. Just like in this case, we use this function to fetch the attribute value. Check its length using strLength function. If it's not long enough, we throw a custom error like this. This simple validation ensures that users input meaningful. The last example is a relationship check between objects. In Teamcenter, you may have scenarios where a UGPart can only be attached if a UGMaster is already associated with the item revisions. So let's do this. We can use GRM ask related, and that's it. We have covered four essential precondition scenarios in Teamcenter. Just like first one is savage, only release item can be duplicated. Next one is the revise, only item in workflow can be revised. Third one is item